In this video, I'll show you how to blur a small area in your CapCut. Now, first step, guys, is you're gonna open up CapCut, and from in here, you're gonna drag in a video or a picture that you wanna blur out. Now, once you found it, you're gonna select the area that you wanna blur out. For me, let's say I wanna do this English right here for some reason. I'm gonna find the part in the video where it just pops up. So I'm gonna zoom in, find the exact frame, and it is right here. I'm gonna click on it and Control B to make a new right here. Then what I'm gonna do is press on this, Control C and Control V. Now I will have two. Now what you're gonna do is select the top one, go to Mask in Video right here, and select one of these shapes. I like the rectangle one because it just fits perfectly. Then when you have it right here, you're gonna put it the perfect size. Remember, Control mouse wheel button to zoom in and out. And I'm gonna make it fit perfectly on the English right here. Now then what you're gonna do is go to Effects up here, go to Pro, and find a blur effect. Now I really like the oblique blur right here, so I'm just gonna drag this on it. Now as you can see, there will be a big blue line here, which is the effect, and I'm gonna choose the blur to 100%. Now it will be completely blurred as soon as it hits that frame. Now let me just quickly mute these. And when you want it to be removed, let's say right here, I want it to stop blurring. I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna press Control B. And as you can see, it will now be cut in two. I will click on the little star icon right here, which is gonna open up the blur effect. And I'm gonna select the blur and press delete. Now there will only be a blur effect on this part, as you can see right here. And as soon as it switches over here, the blur effect will disappear. That's basically how you can do it in CapCut, guys. It's super simple, super easy. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.